And Kip, we mentioned you two are licensed in South Carolina. This email question right up your alley because I understand there is a difference. Allison would like to know or would like you to explain the time limits involved for filing a lawsuit over an injury. And are there different time limits depending upon what kind of injury it was? And of course, whether or not you live in Georgia or South Carolina or where this injury occurred.
Allison, thank you. That's a great question. And yes, there are differences. In South Carolina, for instance, most injury claims must be brought within 3 years of when the injury occurred or when you knew or should have known that the injury occurred. In Georgia, that time frame is a little shorter. Georgia has a statute of limitations for injury claims of 2 years. And that said, injury claims may also, the notice provisions for injury claims may change depending on who is at fault. For instance, if you are being treated at a medical facility that is a state facility, or you have a slip and fall at a county building, there's some notice provisions that are required by state law that are even sooner than that, 6 months and a year. So the clock is running. It depends on where the injury occurs and what type of injury occurred, but you do need to get with the lawyer as soon as you can to start that process.